right, we are back on the record. And the court has previously sworn in the parties. This is a formal hearing after Mr. Del Badri were you found guilty, Mr. Del Badri, or I'm sorry, responsible in the informal hearing before the magistrate? Is that what happened, sir? You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Al Badri.
Oh, sorry about that. Yeah,
Did the
so
magistrate found you responsible or just took this right to the formal hearing?
No, it was adjourned because I believe the officer back in November he was supposed to check his dash or something with the camera footage to make sure it wasn't me.
Okay, thank you. All right, so this is the time for the formal hearing, and for the record, will the officer please give your name?
Yes, it's going to be Officer Del Bosque.
And badge number.
Badge 4916.
Thank you, Officer Dubowski. Can you please tell us what happened and when? Give us the reason for being here today.
Yes, this case was adjourned from an informal hearing. I was supposed to get back with on this date with information on my dash cam video, but our videos are only stored for 90 days, so I wasn't able to locate that video. So at this time, I'm not able to identify the driver on this ticket. In the informal hearing, he said that he was not the one that was driving. Someone gave his name. So I guess we can dismiss. I won't be able to proceed.
All right, sir, I appreciate it. The court is going to dismiss this matter. The officer has indicated that he is unable to identify you, Mr. Al Badri, as being the person whom he stopped and charged with this offense. So the matter is dismissed. And you may disconnect. Madam Clerk, is there any mandatory Secretary of State fee for Mr. Al Badri?
I think I paid that with the bond for the reinstatement fees.
All right, sir, then we can refund that to you, Mr. Al Badri. They will refund it by mail.
Okay, and I got a quick question. Is there any way, like, because like if somebody gets pulled over and gives an officer my name, like how do I stop that from happening? Because this happened twice to me already.
Okay, Madam Perkins Moore, you may be able to give him more information, but you need to file a complaint with the police department. And is there is what you're talking about is identity theft? So someone is using your identity falsely. Do you have any idea of who that person might be?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so I don't know if Ms. Perkins Moore can give you more information. I know that you can sometimes find that information for procedure on identity theft on the internet. If you put in, what do I do if someone steals my identity? But the first step, I believe, is making a report with the police department so you can document that, and then they can put, your name will come up. Is that right, Officer Del Bosque? Is that what happens when you have a report of identity theft? Does it come up in the lien?
That is correct. And once he files a report, he can go through Secretary of State and they'll put a flag on his name.
Right.
So
he's got to go to, right.
So you go to Secretary of State as well?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anything else, Mr. Abadri?
All right. No, thank you very much. I didn't even know I could do that, but thank you guys.
Okay, you're welcome, sir, and you may disconnect. Do we have anything else ready for the live stream at this time? Officer Del Bosque, is that your only case, sir, today?
Yes, that was, my first case was already heard, so I'm done for the day. Thank you.
All right, sir. Okay.
Have a good day.
Do we have Ms. April Adams back? Ms. Adams, are you able to proceed now, Ms. Adams? Okay, can I hear you again, Ms. Adams? You are muted. Ms. Adams, you are muted. Can I hear you? And now I cannot see you. I cannot see you or hear you. That's the problem we had the last time.
Great. I'm sorry.
Now I cannot see you.
Oh.
Continue on Joy Road for 1 mile.
I don't know what to do. I'm lost here.
Are you in a moving vehicle? You're not in a moving vehicle, are you?
No, I'm at
I'm gonna
home,
ask-
right here in my kitchen.